Hey everybody, Dr. Blumenthal back with you, Natural Transplants at the Bethesda office, and today I'm excited. We got an awesome Lee here today, coming in from Maryland, right?
Yes.
Okay, so not too far away. Lee's got a great story. Tell everybody, first of all, thank you for doing this.
Oh, you're
Hopefully this
welcome.
can help some other people out there. But tell everybody kind of why you're here, what you're looking for.
The reason I'm here is my wife had asked me, I just turned 60, and she said, what would you love to do for your 60th birthday? You want to go on a trip? We could do something really good for your 60th. And I said, I want hair. And I did some big time research on it. Dr. Blumenthal and Natural Transplants is what I came to be the best ones around and the experts.
Awesome.
And they had great reviews, and I got a great rapport by coming in and meeting with the doc and the staff. And so I'm very excited to start the journey today and see what the results will be.
Love it, man. Love it. And all your brothers have hair, so you want to...
Yes, exactly.
That was not fair. And your dermatologist said, this is actually a cancer-saving surgery because she wants coverage up there so you don't get any more cancerous spots on the scalp.
I've recently seen my dermatologist, and she took some precancerous growths out, and she recommended this would be a great procedure.
Save your soul and your life.
Exactly.
It's fantastic. Awesome. All right, so what I'm going to have you just look straight ahead and look down a little bit for me. And so we talked about, it's not realistic to be able to cover the entire area. I'm going to spin you around. We got a decent amount of loss in the back as well in the crown. So if we can, we'll do it, but most likely we'll be able to cover half to 2/3 of it. So we're going to distribute that in a way that you see fit and that your priority zones are. So we'll draw it all out and we'll decide what our priority is.
Excellent.
All right, so we'll draw a little bit out and then we'll come back and check on you a little bit later.
Okay,
Sound good?
thank you.
Awesome. All right, we are back with Lee. As you can tell, we have drawn out the line. We've decided to go from the front to the back. Again, we'll get as far back as we can go.
Okay.
Halfway to 2/3, somewhere around there.
Excellent.
Do a little bit of shaving. Got a couple Valium on board. You doing all right?
I'm doing
You
great.
excited?
Oh, very
Awesome.
much so.
Let's rock and roll. We'll check in with you a little bit later today, okay?
Thanks, Doc.
Cool. All right, Lee. You doing all right, buddy?
Yeah.
Doing okay? Have any pain or anything like that?
No, they gave some more lidocaine and stuff,
Good.
and so...
Feeling good?
Yeah, I can barely feel them touching my head.
Awesome. Watching a couple movies, dozing off. We have about, 20 more minutes to go. You're doing great, man.
Thank you.
All right, Lee, you did it, man.
Yes.
Congratulations.
Thank you so much,
Tell
Doctor,
the
and your
world
team.
how it went.
It was very good. I mean, the only slight pain you'll feel is when you first put a couple needles to numb it, but after that, you don't feel anything. It's effortless. You just sit there, and before you know it, it's done, and you're out of here.
Awesome.
So I would recommend it.
It was fun. You had a good day today. It was fun.
Yes.
I'm really excited.
Thank you.
I'm just going to have you duck. I know it said not to do this, but duck your chin just a touch. We have her on. So we actually, I thought we were going to get somewhere back up in here. We got back to the further part of where I thought we were going to get. So I'm really happy. Lee thinks he's gonna definitely want a second one. I say we'll see. So we'll see how the year goes. Hopefully we'll keep tabs on you throughout the year. And thank you for doing this. This is awesome.
Oh,
welcome to the family, man.
Thank you so much.
All right, I'll check on you tomorrow. Okay.
Okay. Thank you, Doc.
Sounds good.
Take the first step to better hair. Visit us at naturaltransplants.com.